just ready to talk deep discounted customer specials. I know I love to save money, I love to be organized, and I love when I can do both of those at the same time. And every month, 31 gives us an opportunity to get some deep discounts with every $35 we spend. So this month, I'm going to share with you what those discounts are, and you have options, ladies. You have gorgeous options between the choice of 2 mini storage bins or 1 Deluxe Organizing Utility Tote. You guys, either one of these are amazing. So if you need more, then you can always get more with every additional $35 that you spend. So if you choose to get 2 of the mini storage bins, you can do that for only $15, or you can choose to get the Deluxe right there for $15. But if you need both, with $70, you get 2 of these and 1 of these, all your own, at a deeply discounted price. So as you can see, there's an exclusive, super cute bunny going on over there that's perfect for Easter. That is available in February only. So I wanted to come on and show you guys what those items look like in person so you can get some kind of an idea of the dimensions and what they actually look like. So here you go. This is the Deluxe Tote. I love this. As a mother of 2, we are always on the go, and I love that it has these mesh pockets. I can put the kids' drinks in there or mine and be ready to go. It has an option right here with a pocket. Anything that has a pocket can be personalized, and it has a large pocket here all the way across, all the way down to the bottom. And on the back, you'll find another zipper pocket here. Again, it goes the entire length of the bag all the way to the bottom. There's tons of storage options. You can use this as a gym bag, a going to work bag for the kids, activities, so many different things. And this has a zipper top. Right here, you can see, just zip it closed, but you can see how large that space is inside of there. Tons of room. Gym bag, work bag, kids on the go. I am actually even using this as a go bag for the weekend, and just having what I need. Add a little super swap pocket in there for the toiletries, and we are ready to go. So that is option, one of your 2 options that you have. And then we have the mini storage bin. But there is nothing really mini about the storage bin, guys. So I want you to see it is rounded on the top. You can see some of the many uses. It keeps its form with a round wire around the top. It has handles on either side, so it's great for accessing and pulling it out. And the footprint on the bottom is a square, so it's nice and flat. We have these in pretty much every room of the house. As you can see, these are my daughter's, her little one with our bird. I cut it on there, and this is in the candy corners. You can get these monogrammed as well. So we use this in her room for toys, lots of different toys in her room. Then I also love to use it, who doesn't have, when you're doing laundry, you either need a place for the socks because they're everywhere, or like me, your little ones are getting into them, or you've always got those missing random socks and you're thinking, how does the pair not match? So what I do is I take a mini storage bin when I'm doing laundry, which I am now. I put all the socks in there, and then when I have time and space and I don't have a little one trying to steal all the socks, I can go through them, sort them out, put the matches, and lo and behold, if there is a miscellaneous sock that cannot find its match, it stays in this little bin until the next load happens, and more than likely we end up finding the matches. So that is one of the many uses that we use them for. I also wanted to share with you guys real quick some gifting options. So you can use a mini storage bin with lots of different things. This is one of my go-to gifting options, and I use it for Christmas, and a lot of the ladies were more excited in the family about getting these because they are so functional, beautiful, and useful around the house. So you can either fill them with tissue paper, or you can get the little brass and put that all in there as your base. You want to start with the base. And then for gifting, you can just add those little goodies in there. There's with more grass and things, you're going to see that it's going to stand up. Get all those little toys in there. And you have the perfect baby shower gift basket. And then they don't only just get the toys inside. They have a useful tool that's gorgeous with their decor or can be personalized to be specific and unique just for their use. As well as you can use it for bigger kids with their toys and with games, and pair that in there in the basket. Or even for the moms, you can do friend gift baskets. These are perfect for things like wedding showers, lots of different things like that. You can roll up towels and hand towels, birthday gifts, so many things. So I wanted to be sure, share with you guys what those gorgeous customer special options are for you this month in February. So be sure, and as you're browsing, check that out, because you're going to want to take advantage. If they're on your wish list, you're going to want to take advantage of them now while you can get that deeply discounted savings. So happy shopping. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know, and I will talk to you again soon.